In this video, I'll show you how to change your Overwatch 2 name. I'll walk you through the steps of changing your in-game name and explain how this affects your overall game identity. After watching this video, you'll be able to confidently change your name to whatever you like. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Battle.net desktop app and then click on your profile at the top right. After that, click on View Account, and it will load this site in your default web browser. So now what you want to do next is make sure you are logged into your Battle.net account and then click on Account Details. Then scroll down until you see a section called Battle Tag. Once you find it, click on Update. And now you have the option to change your name on Overwatch 2, aka the Battle Tag. So the thing is that, you can only change your Battle Tag, aka your name, for free for the first time. If you want to change your name for the second time, you have to purchase it. So make sure the name is exactly what you want, and also make sure it doesn't violate the Battle Tag naming policy. So I'm simply going to type in Tech Tutor as my new name, and now all I have to do is click on Change Your Battle Tag, and my Overwatch 2 name will be changed. So let's go over to the Battle.net desktop app to see whether or not it has changed my battle tag. As you can see, we have successfully changed the battle tag. So if you have updated your name on the site but it didn't appear on the Battle.net desktop app, just restart the Battle.net app or try logging out and logging back in and you will see your new battle tag, aka your new Overwatch 2 name. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.